Hiya, you beautiful lot. My name's Purple, and this is the Kotch.
Hiya, you beautiful lot. So, today's been a rain day. It's not been very nice. So I've managed to kind of pull a few bits together to try and show you what the river is like when it's under pressure from the elements. It seems it has 3 stages. So, we'll go through it. But at the same time, I've noticed these are before and after videos of what it's like in winter and in summer, so you should be able to see the 2 differences there as well. But yeah, the river, when it got completely flooded in February, it was the highest level I've ever seen it. It was absolutely immense. So I did a few videos and I found them, so I've put them all together. I don't think the Kotch is going to be happening this week. Friday even looks real bad, but I'll keep searching through the archives and I'll find some stuff to share with you lot. So with no further ado, here we go. Enjoy. Peace, love and light. Devastation. Yeah, I've lost my middle post. It's a bit bouncy, but you can still get across. And it ripped off my ply boards that were on the end of the deck. And to be honest, I'm quite glad it did, because what that's enabled, I think if the boards had stayed on there and the water level came right up as high as it did, the whole front end of the deck just would have floated up. But lucky for me, I put enough concrete in there, you know what I mean? And then boards come off, so rather lose the boards than lose the whole deck. Yeah, my mini pit caved in a little bit, but I can still work with that. So as you can see, the river gets pretty hectic down there, and the level that you see there, that's the level that it normally stays when the lake further down gets over flooded and they open up the gates, and it fills right up. So I went down there a little while later, and to my surprise, wow, check this out. So yeah, that's where the the Kotch should be. It seems it's submerged under so much water. I'm hoping it's safe, but then again, you never know. It might be down the embankment by now. You just never know with this river. But yeah, that is immense amount of water. But yeah, here's the entrance. Well, what should be. So cut out steps. And yeah, you ain't getting down there. That's at least another 3 meters higher. And there's the crown. Wow. Barbecue grill. Yeah, that's awesome. So yeah, it's crazy levels. And the old boy Michael down there, he tells me that back in the Viking days, that was the original level of that river. So very deep. And they used to run Viking barges up and down it. So yeah, anyway, I left it a little while before I went back down. And yeah, this is the video. It's gone back down. So I thought I'd check on my deck. Now this is a crucial test, because this deck I built, I had to think of the place over flooding, and yeah, I was a bit worried that it wasn't going to survive. You know, I didn't want to come down here and see that a lot of my work had been completely ruined. So yeah, big test of my skills. And she lives. It lives. There is water everywhere, so I can't exactly get down to it, and it is so squidgy. But yeah, look, even our campfire is kind of underwater at the minute. I can't go too far because it is just bogging. Right. Yeah, you should, yeah. So a lot of the other side is still flooded, and I do believe it's knocked the first post there, so
I'm gonna have to kind of reset that one a little bit, just nudging it back into its own little spot. But other than that, I think I've been lucky. Yeah, lucky, because this is overflowing compared to how it should be. But yeah, it's pretty awesome.
So yeah, it stood the test of time and the elements. That was epic. It's just a shame it got vandalized, you know, but what can you do? Anyway, that's enough for today. So now that you've seen it all, let's hope the weather clears up. I really want to get down there. I need to get some progress on. So that's it from me today. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And if you hit the little bell, you can be in the know about the Kotch. Peace, love and light.